I can't praise such illogical behavior, but I can give you something logical as hell. I've developed this drug as a kind of love potion. It maxes out your pheromone levels, granting you a 10 billion% chance of winning her heart.
Thanks, but no thanks, Senku. I gotta do this my way.
Are you serious? You made a love potion?
Come on, use your brain. That's gasoline. I simply refined it from plastic bottle caps. Consider the molecular structure of polyethylene. It's just like a long gasoline molecule, minus a few hydrocarbons. You can tell just by looking. No, the odds of him drinking that were 10 billion to 1. He's dumb, but too straight-laced. You really slept in for a hell of a long time. I've been up and diligently working my tail off for the last 6 months.
Hold on. So it's been like...
It has been 3,700 years.
How do you know what day it is? You got some kind of calendar or what?
Huh? I figured it out by counting. It was the logical thing to do.
So that whole time you were frozen, you just counted?
Even if I had willed myself awake before then, being out here stark naked with no supplies in winter would have meant game over pretty damn quickly. Until now, I've been lacking manpower, and coming up with the bare minimum to survive takes all my time. If I'm gonna rebuild civilization, I'll need a muscly meathead to do the grunt work. In other words, I've been waiting for you, Taiju. I was 10 billion% sure you were still alive. You were so hell-bent on confessing your love. And for a guy as stubborn as you, even a few thousand years wouldn't stop you from making that happen. You aren't that weak.
Yeah, of course I'm not!
I swear I'm going to take back the world. Through science, I'll figure out what happened to us, and how we broke free. We may be a couple of high school kids, but we're gonna rebuild civilization from the ground up. You and I will be like Adam and Eve. Together we'll bring life back to this stone world. This is exhilarating. Get excited. We drifted up near here. It would make sense that this cave factored in somehow. See that? The stuff trickling from overhead? That's our miracle fluid, made from bat guano. Good old nitric acid.
No way! That's crazy! What is that?
I did anticipate that question, but I'm not going to waste my breath explaining it to you. Combined with the nitric acid, we could make something nice and potent. What's commonly known as nitol, which is an industrial strength etching agent.
What did you say we needed? Don't confuse me with some kind of science talk. I mean the part about liquor. Wine comes from grapes, yeah? And that is a type of alcohol, isn't it?
You handle all the neck down work from here on out. That's just the logical choice. Making wine is an extremely simple process.